Let me be very honest with you for a moment. Right now, there are dozens of AI tools claiming they can build websites and apps. Every week, there's a new launch, a new promise, a new revolution. So when someone says, another AI website builder, you're probably already bored. But what if I told you, UWare does not use templates, doesn't ask you to drag blocks, and doesn't even require you to think like a developer? What you're watching right now is me building a real, functional website simply by chatting with AI. No layouts, no grids, no CSS headaches. Instead of spending hours or even days developing a website for your business, you can simply describe your idea in one prompt and let AI build the entire website for you. Even if you have zero coding experience, UWare enables you to create fully functional apps, websites, and landing pages using nothing more than natural language and intuitive visual editing. With UWare, there is absolutely no need to write a single line of code. All right, let me show you exactly how this works. I'm already inside UWare, and I'm starting with something simple, a landing page. At the bottom left corner of the prompt box, you'll notice a powerful set of MCP tools, including integrations for API, Figma, Supabase, Notion, GitHub, and more. On top of that, UWare supports 9 advanced LLM models, including Gemini 3 Pro, GPT-5 Codex, Claude 4.5 Opus, Claude 4.5 Sonnet, and the latest GPT 5.2. Here's the prompt I type. Create a light, professional, purple-themed event landing page for an online webinar titled AI Video Creation Workshop. Studio quality videos in 30 minutes. Use a clean white background, soft purple gradients, modern typography, and a structured layout optimized for conversions. I click Generate, and the landing page immediately begins to take shape. Here's the key difference. Most AI website builders today still force you to think like a developer. You pick a template, you drag sections, you tweak spacing, you fix responsiveness. So you're not really creating, you're configuring. UWare flips that entire process. Instead of building websites, you explain ideas, and the AI does the rest. Behind the scenes, UWare is writing clean code while simultaneously building the project visually on the canvas. And in just a few moments, boom, the landing page is ready. The result is exactly what we asked for: colorful, attractive, and professionally structured. You can see the hero section, clear headlines, event details, call to action buttons, links, and footer, all perfectly arranged. The purple theme is applied consistently, the typography feels modern, and the layout looks polished and conversion-focused. This is not a mock-up. This is a real website. But here's where things get even more interesting. Everything you see is editable, directly on the canvas. For example, I type another simple prompt. Replace the purple color scheme with a yellow-themed design. It takes a moment, and then, boom, the entire page updates. Buttons, backgrounds, highlights, and accents all shift into a cohesive yellow theme that feels warm, bright, and inviting. No redesign, no rebuilding, just one sentence. UWare also allows you to instantly preview both desktop and mobile versions. Let's switch to mobile view. As you can see, the layout adapts perfectly. Text remains readable, buttons remain tappable, and the overall design stays clean and functional on any screen size. Now let me show you one of my favorite features, Visual Edit. With Visual Edit, you can directly edit text, headers, hero sections, footers, and all written content, live on the page. No code, no refresh. I'm changing the title from AI Video Creation to AI Alchemy. I'm also updating the session duration from 30 minutes to just 10 minutes. And instantly, everything updates in real time. Every change happens live, giving you full creative control without breaking your workflow. And beyond building, UWare also has an active community of designers and creators. You can explore shared projects, discover templates for inspiration, exchange ideas, and get feedback, making it easier to ship professional designs faster. So yes, non-coders rejoice. If you want to try UWare yourself and create a landing page from a single prompt, check out the link in the description and start experimenting today. This is not the future of web creation. It's already here. And one quick thing I really like, UWare Credit Care. If an AI result doesn't meet your needs, you can refund the credits instantly. Just rewind your project to a previous version, and your credits come back. Simple.